This is Sculpted brand air-dry clay. It dries out slowly over about 24 hours and shrinks substantially in the process, which can lead to unwanted cracking. You can work it as you would most clays, however it does not stick well to itself. Rather than using an additive approach when sculpting, I suggest making a single solid shape out of the block of clay. Here I am pressing two pieces of clay together to demonstrate the problem with cracking. With some minor smoothing efforts and the division between the two pieces still visible, it will likely crack or even separate when it dries. If you need to join two pieces, some scoring will help lock the two pieces together. By completely smoothing over the seam so it looks like a single piece, you will have a better chance of it drying crack-free. Here I will use a press mold to shape the clay. This is a 3-part mold I made around a small head I've carved out of plastic. A 3-part mold was needed here because there are small undercuts on the carved head. It could get stuck in a 2-piece mold. If you're making a simpler form with no undercuts, you can have a simpler mold. Simply press the block of clay into the mold. You will want to pull the clay out of the mold while it is still wet. That way you can work on the piece while the clay is still soft in case you don't like the results you got from the impression. I'll let the clay harden a bit and then trim off the excess material. You can see how much it shrunk compared to the original. The dried clay can be painted and you can fill small cracks with glue.